Hello everyone! 4-5 potatoes, olive oil, season with salt and black pepper. Half teaspoon sweet paprika. Bake at 380 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. 1 pound or 450 grams of minced meat, one onion, season with salt and black pepper. Half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon sweet paprika. Fry on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Mozzarella cheese. Add 250 grams or 1 cup of tomato passata. Fry for another 3 to 4 minutes. Our potatoes are ready. Simply pour the ground beef over the potatoes. Add mozzarella, and even more mozzarella. So we have a delicious crust on top. Bake for 10 minutes or until deliciously browned. Delicious. Your support means everything to me. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.